daughter. She is suffering from fever. I want to rush to home to take care of her.
Don't worry, auntie. She will cure soon.
Thank you, dear. By the way, you tell to your mom I will not come tomorrow.
Yes, I can do that, auntie. Bye.
It is morning 6 o'clock. Dia's mother came from late night party and Dia get ready for school.
Good morning, mummy.
Good morning, dear. Auntie, can you get me some cup of coffee? I am totally pushed up to the late night party.
She went to her home, mummy. Her daughter is suffering from fever. She will not come today.
What? This is terrible. How can she do that? And who will do this works? I have to go to parlor.
Prepare something for me, mummy. I want to go to school.
Oh, wait. Take this money. Take this money and buy anything in the school canteen.
Prepare something for me, mummy. I like chapati.
No, dear. I have no energy to prepare chapatis now. And evening, I attend the party. Can you manage this today?
Oh no, Priyanti is such a wonderful mother. She take care of her daughter. But my mother not spending time with me. Came from poor family. What's the day, dear? I feel good, mummy. I was glad because I was selected for Olympiad exam. Oh, nice. Very good. Congratulations. I'm proud of you, dear. Thank you, mummy. I am very happy, dear. All the best to you. Don't hesitate. Ask any book you need. We are here for you. Work hard. You focused on your study, dear. Okay, Daddy. Let I go and prepare for my exam. You know tomorrow Ramya's birthday. Yes, how can I forget that? But I have no money to buy a gift for Ramya. Don't worry, I will ask advance from my boss. We will give a gift? Okay. Came from rich family. Good evening, Mummy, Daddy. Good evening, dear. Daddy, do you know what is special tomorrow? Don't disturb me, dear. Ask to your mom. Mom?
Oh yes, tomorrow is my friend's daughter's birthday and I have to go to Delhi.
Oh no, tomorrow is my birthday, Mummy.
Oh, sorry, I forgot that, dear.
Dear, what do you want in your birthday, dear? I can give you anything you ask.
Even it is very costly, we can get it for you. You are our only child.
I don't want anything from you. Please spend time with me. Sorry, dear. Tomorrow I have urgent meeting.
I am really sorry, dear. You know I have to attend the meeting.
Daddy, shall I ask something? What is your salary for per day? Maybe 10,000. Why you are asking this question? Take this 10,000. Please spend time with me. Sorry, dear. Tomorrow I have important meeting. Mom, please spend time with me.
Stop this expecting, Dia. Take this money and enjoy with your friends.
Oh no, I want to spend little time with my parents, but they're not having time.
Take this coffee, dear.
I don't want.
Why you are avoid, dear?
Today is my birthday, but no one spending time with me.
Don't worry, dear. I will make your favorite pasta.
Oh, thank you, auntie. Came from poor family. Many more happy birthday, dear. Thank you, Daddy.
God
dear, your dream comes true. Thank you, Mummy. Wait few minutes. Take some sweet.
This is your birthday gift, dear.
Thank you, Mummy and Daddy. Came from which family? Mom, Dad, I got first prize in English quiz. My teachers have invited both of you in a function.
Good for you, dear. Congratulations. But I can't come for the function.
Dad, can you?
Sorry, dear. Tomorrow I have important business deal.
Mom, my teachers have told parents want to compulsory at the function.
I'm really sorry, dear. You know, I have to go to the wedding party.
Oh no, I'm not having anyone to share my wonderful moment in my life. Came from poor family. Tomorrow my sister is going to America.
America? What for?
I think she is going to wedding party.
When would she return?
After the mom. Mummy and Daddy, my teachers have come to meet you.
Welcome, teachers. Please be seated.
My house is very small. It is not comfortable for you. That's not a problem. Congratulations, sir. Your child selected trip for NASA.
I am very happy, dear. All the best to you.
All your blessing, teachers. Welcome, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, please get in. Please call the Dia.
Okay, ma'am. Dia. Principal ma'am is calling you.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, please get in. Please be seated. What a matter? You get less marks in every subject. What affecting for your study?
No one spending time with me, ma'am.
What? You are talking about your parents?
Yes.
I will solve this problem. Hello, this is Dia's parents? Yes. I want to talk to you immediately. Please come to the school. Okay, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Yes, please get in. Please be seated. Everything is fine? It's not fine because of your daughter. She is very intelligent, but nowadays she is not studying well. What affecting for your studying? Please spend time with her. Sorry, madam. Hereafter we spend time with her. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Sorry, dear. Hereafter we will spend time with you.
Love you, Mummy, Daddy.
Thank you, dear. Parents, please spend time with your children in spite of our busy schedule.
Spending time with children is more important than spending money on children.
Nice, girls. It was a lovely performance.